Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got IBM Selectric 2, no, IBM Selectric 3 here, and look at this. The bell doesn't work. It does if I move that little piece right there, but then it doesn't. It stops right there. It just stopped altogether. That little spring here is a problem. I looked at it briefly, and I can see there's a little spring in here that springs back, and it's just loose or something. So let's take this thing off, the little clapper here, and fix it. So this clapper just comes off, lift up, and out this little slot right here, and it comes off like that. There's the spring I'm talking about. And let me disconnect it here from the other spring. Figure out how to get to that. Alright, just did that. Okay, so here's the little clapper piece. Let's get some lights down in here. So it's got this spring right there, and that goes on here like this. And I got it backwards. Let's see. It goes. I can't remember how it goes. Okay, so it goes like this. And then this piece goes above these little guys right here. And that other piece loops back. Right, like that. But this is not tight enough. That little play right there, hard to see it. It's just that little gap that's right there. So I'm going to take this back off. Take the spring off. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bend this piece, form it, put this screw here. Okay, grip that a little better. So I'm really just going to spread these to the distance here, right here, by just forming this like this. Just going to give it some little twist here and see if I got the distance here a little more. I'm going to go see if I can go a little bit more. Okay, now this gap is pretty big between this portion and that portion. That should do it, I hope. Let's put this back on here and try it. So we put this on like that. And we're going to take this other corner, put that around like that, and now it looks good. So now this has more tension on it, so it comes right to the edge there like it should. It's a very fine spring. It just lifts out of the way when the other part comes, when it backs off. So I'm just stick this thing back on with I think we can put this back on like that. Then I can get in here and find that spring, which is right there. I think I can get this connected without having to do, so there's a little, no, can't quite get it. Alright, let's keep on trying. Alright, well, it's not cooperating. Nothing unusual with springs. There we go. Let's try again. So I'm going to grab that spring And put it right through that little hole right there. Like that. There we go. And now let's try it. I bet it works. Nice and strong. So it was just this little spring, this additional little spring right there needed to be adjusted or strengthened. Okay, well that's my quick little 6-minute video for fixing that problem with the bell. Alright, thanks, Typewriter. Good day.